Makukuha ng Perpetual. Nagmamadali sa Islit. Tetekada yan. It's again another and one play for Perpetual. This time, it's Islit.
Islit. Skill counted.
It's Islit. The free throw, wala. Pero nakuha pa rin yung bola. Power move. That was a 4-point play in reverse para dito kay Islit. Makukuha naman ang bola. Islit very active. Alcantara fakes. Alcantara fires. He will be fouled. Nagmamadali sa Islit. Diretso yan. Wow! Barreling his way to the cup. Itong kanilang slasher. Itong si Islit.
Islit again. Back to back.